Hi there, Mr. Muhammed is here. In this video we are going to solve simultaneous equations in three different ways. The first way is called elimination. In elimination way we are trying to get rid of one of the variables to keep one of them, find the value of it, use it to find the value of the other one. Now in this couple of simultaneous equations, here we have 2x, here we have 3x. It's not easy to equalize them. Here we have 3y, here we have just y. So we are going to multiply this equation by 3. Everything by 3. Now 3 times 3x will be 9x plus 3 times y is 3y equals 15. Now kind of we ignore this equation. We just deal with this 2. In these two equations, if we subtract them, the y will be 0 because 3y minus 3y is 0. But these variables here, we have 9x, 3y, 15. It's easier to subtract this one from this one. It's also fine. So let's copy this equation here. 2x plus 3y equals 8. And we have 3y, 3y. They're both positive, so let's subtract these two equations to get rid of 3y. Sometimes you get 3y, 3y, but one of them is negative, one of them is positive. In this case, add the equations, then you will be able to get rid of one of the variables. So here 9x minus 2x is 7x. 3y minus 3y is 0. We don't even mention it here. 15 minus 8 is 7. So 7x is equal to 7. Divide both sides by 7. You see x is equal to 1. We got the value of one of the variables. We're going to use this to get the value of y. In these three equations, if you want to use any of them is fine. Just substitute the value of x in it. Try to get the value of y. For this purpose, I'm going to use this one because I see this one the easiest. 3x will be 3 times 1 plus y is equal to 5. I just used this equation because I see it the easiest. 3x plus y is equal to 5. Instead of x, we write 1. 3 times 1 plus y is equal to 5. 3 times 1 is 3 plus y is 5. And obviously y is 2 because 3 plus 2 is 5. So we got the value of x, we got the value of y. Done. A quick way to check your answer: substitute 1 in place of x, substitute 2 in place of y, and see, will you get 8? 2 times 1 is 2, 3 times 2 is 6, 2 plus 6 is 8. So it's correct. This way is called elimination. There's another way, is called substitution. 2x plus 3y is equal to 8. 3x plus y is equal to 5. In substitution method, we are going to write y in terms of x, or it's also fine if you write x in terms of y. In this couple of simultaneous equations here, I see 1y. So it's easier to write y in terms of x using the second equation. So by sending these to the other side, we will have this y is equal to 5 minus 3x. Now y is 5 minus 3x. We got this from the second equation. So in the first equation, in place of y, we are going to write this. That's why it's called substitution method, because we are going to substitute this in place of y. And then we solve, and then what's remaining is only x. It will be a normal linear equation. So 2x plus, instead of 3y, we write 3. 5 minus 3x equals 8. Now let's expand these brackets. 3 times 5 is 15 minus 3 times 3x is 9x equals 8, and here we had 2x. Now collect the like terms. 2x and negative 9x will be negative 7x, and the 15 is here, equals 8. Now get rid of 15 minus 15 minus 15. This will be cancelled. Negative 7x is equal to 8 minus 15 is negative 7. So divide both sides by -7, you see x is equal to 1. So this is called substitution method. And just like this way, once you get the value of one of the variables, use it to find the value of the other one. So in this case, it will be the same as here. That's why I'm not going to do this, because it's the same as here. Substitute x in one of the equations, try to find out the value of y. And the other way is called graphical. So it's easy to graph these linear equations. So the graph of each one is a straight line. Look at the straight lines, where they cross is the answer. So in this question here, once you draw the graph for both equations, you see they cross at 1 and 2. They cross here. Both equations are going up like this. They cross at 1 and 2. Where they cross is the solution. And you can check my other videos to learn how to graph linear equations. Then once you draw both graphs on one xy axis, you see where they cross, which is the solution. X is 1, y is 2. Thank you for watching.